Hey, Daniel here with American Hangar Projects and Aviator Flight Training. Today we're going to do a review on some wrenches I was sent over by Capri Tools. Please take a look at their website, capritools.com. There's a lot of great things on there, and just a special note, if you're a student getting started and everything, if you apply, they have a student discount. They also have a veterans discount, and I always like supporting groups that support our troops. So anyway, let's get started on this. I will be having a link in the description to each one of these tool sets, so you can go ahead and find them online yourself. But start off, we have their thin wrench set, and let me bring this up to the camera a little bit better. But this is both in SAE and in metric, and in the SAE size, they have the most common sizes between 1/4 inch and 3/4. And in the metric side, they have the most common sizes. I think it's all the sizes between 6 millimeter and 24 millimeter. So, and it's just great the way that they send this to us. That the way this came, it just had some plastic wrap over the top of it. But you take the plastic wrap off, you slide this in your toolbox. All your tools are organized, ready to go. You can keep accountability of your tools. It's becoming more and more important in today's day and age. It's expected in a lot of areas that you work. And then just from a practical side, the more organized your toolbox is, the faster your work goes. So, you know, how many times have you sat around looking around for, you know, maybe it's just me, maybe I'm sometimes a little bit too disorganized with my tools, but you sit there and you look for 10, 15 minutes sometimes, and maybe not that long, for a tool when you should have been working. Let's take a look at their 3/4 inch wrench, and we're going to compare this to a 3/4 inch wrench that you might find in your toolbox. So 3/4 inch wrench, it's thin, and if you look at it, it's about half the width of your standard wrench. So you got a jam nut, you got to get off. You're in a tight work area, and you just need something a little bit thinner to work in there. This is going to become super valuable. Especially, I can think about 5 or 6 things on this car that are coming up that these wrenches are going to become super valuable for me. So again, you know, oh, and then the finish. If you look at the tools, they've just got a beautiful finish to them. They really took some care, it looks like, when they were designing their tools, their products. So all these tools, actually I shouldn't say all of them, because they're, as soon as you say all tools, but most of their tools come with a lifetime warranty. It only comes to, it's only good for the original buyer or original purchaser, but still, I mean, they stand behind their product. It's always great to buy a tool once and know that you got that taken care of. But yeah, so let's take a look at some of their other wrenches. You're going to be seeing these things pop up in our videos coming up, I guarantee it. I can't wait to put them into use. But we got both their 0-degree offset long box end wrenches in SAE and in metric. So we'll pull the box apart. This is exactly how they come, except they've got plastic on them. Open this guy up and get this out of the way. And if you notice, they've got this very nice canvas pouch with Velcro on it. Keep your tools secure. As you open it up, it's got nifty little hangers there, so you can hang your tools up if that's how you have your shop set up or your garage set up. Or you can be able to wrap these guys up, throw them in your toolbox, and you've got tool accountability. So for the SAE set, they've got the most common wrenches between 1/4 inch and 3/4, and you can go on their website to get the exact which ones are in there, so you can make sure you get what you need. Let me go ahead and pull out one of the larger ones. Here's a 3/4 to 5/8, and one of the things of note, first of all, they are just absolutely beautiful. Only marks are on there from my thumbs, but yeah, fairly thin. They have a nice neck on here for reaching in and grabbing what you need. Also on the flat side, you have almost no bevel, so you can get the most amount of surface area on that hardware that you're working on. When we compare this to a straight box end wrench of what you might see in your toolbox, it's a straight neck versus having a little bevel. So Where this one might not work, this one probably will. And it is a 12 point on the end. So very strong, a lot of leverage. If you look again, the difference between the two, you got, well, quite a bit of extra leverage there. So in the SAE set, there are 5 wrenches which give you 10 different sizes. Then as we come over here to the metric set, I just love these pouches. The canvas on these are very thick. Looks like they did their homework when they put this together, and you're not going to be disappointed. As we open up the metric set, you have sizes 8 through 19, and it covers all of them between 8 and 19. There's 6 wrenches, gives you a total of 12 different options. So again, same thing. We have that neck, slight bevel on the neck side, almost no bevel on the back side. So hopefully it gives you the most amount that you can grab on. On the smaller sizes, still fairly thick for the size of the wrench. So hopefully it keeps us from bending them too much. You know, I'm sure if I said that they couldn't be bent, somebody would try to prove me wrong. And again, this canvas case is just great. I just love it. I can't wait. I already have a spot marked out in my toolbox for these. So hopefully you liked that quick review, and we'd love to see you guys subscribe to our channel. So if you like what you see, please subscribe, share it with your friends. And that'll be it for this quick little review. Please put any comments you might have in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them to the best of my ability. And I will have in the description where to find these tools as well, so you can check them out yourself. All right, have a good one.